Hello, this is Maestro X. I'm going to go over the Level 2 Academic Word of the Day, Evolve, for Week 4, Quarter 4. Let me go over the flashcard with you. Evolve has 2 syllables, and the emphasis or stress is on the second syllable, volve. So we say evolve, evolve. Make sure that your V's are pronounced distinctly. In English, we pronounce our V's a little bit more stronger than we do in Spanish. So we say evolve, evolve. It is used only as a verb, and we have one definition for here for you to learn. You can take a look with me. The meaning here is to develop gradually, especially from a simple to a more complicated form, to develop something in this way. Okay? So it's developing gradually or slowly, usually to something more elaborate, more complicated. Let's take a look at your sentence example. Your personal writing style will evolve after many years. So if you look at your journal writings, for example, in ESL, and then your journal writings today, you can see how your writing style evolves. And in Quarter 2, we're going to look at Pablo Neruda's life and his writings, and we'll see how his writing style evolves from when he was a young man to when he was a much older man. Okay, back to our flashcard. We have several familial words for you to learn. The first is evolution. Evolution. Notice that the emphasis or stress is now on the first syllable. So we say evolution, evolution, instead of evolve. That's the process of evolving. Evolved is your adjective form or your participle form. So you can say that your writing style evolved or was evolved, or the evolved writing style. Evolutionary. Evolutionary, you can talk about, his growth as a writer was evolutionary. In other words, it was slow and took time to develop. An evolutionist is a scientist who studies evolution, which is how the earth and the life forms on it evolved gradually, changed over time. We have 2 synonyms, to advance and to age. Okay, but usually this also, don't forget, has you have to use it in a way that you have to understand that evolve also means changing. So it's not just getting older, but getting older and changing slowly. Okay, usually to something that's more complicated. Our antonyms are persist, or stay, like basically meaning staying the same, or repress. So sometimes you might talk about a child who is evolving, who is growing and developing gradually. But if a parent maybe doesn't give them books, don't take them to museums, don't talk with them and have conversations with them, don't let the student study, and then they are repressing the student, the opposite of evolving. So that is your Level 2 Academic Word of the Day. Be sure to use evolve as a verb, and make sure you write a sentence about yourself and include an illustration in your bottom right corner of your flashcard. Happy studying.